Hey loves, today's video is a tutorial on this purple, blue, and gold celestial themed Halloween makeup look. I am starting off this look by blending the shade Majestic from the Colourpop Fade into Hue palette directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye with the Coastal Scents pointed crease brush. I am now cutting my crease with the Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright Color Base Primer in Blackout with my Coastal Scents small shadow brush. This black base will give the blue shadows I apply on top of it a more vibrant effect. On the outer half of my lid, I am taking the shade Emerald from the Prism Makeup Exotic palette, and I am gently patting it on with the InStudio E113. And on the remainder of my lid, I am applying the Malibu Glitz Metallic Shadow in the shade Deep Ocean with my Profusion Flat Shader brush. To highlight my brow bone, I am using the LA Colors Shine Bright Highlighter on my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. I am lining where my lid and crease shadows meet with a mixture of the InStudio Cosmetics eyeshadow in the shade Charmed and the AOA Studio Waterproof Eye Makeup Seal. This is the first time that I've used the AOA Makeup Seal and I really like it. The Star and Moon charms as well as the flat back gold dome decals are from Amazon and will be available in the description. After applying my charms, I did a simple black winged liner with the Boogeyman Water Activated Liner Duo from Profusion. Next is mascara, and I am using my favorite, which is the Nicka Define and Lengthen. Going back to the Fade into Hue palette, I am blending Majestic along my lower lash line with my Energy 111. I am using the Nicka black eye pencil on my waterline. To complete this look, I am highlighting my inner corner with the InStudio Cosmetics Charmed Shadow with my Coastal Scents small detail brush. Here's the completed look. I added a few more charms above my eyebrow and it is so cute. Everything that I used to create this look will be available in the description. Leave me a comment telling me what you think of today's video, and until next time, bye loves!